Hello everybody and a warm welcome back to the Behind the Skies channel once again. We are here at London Gatwick Airport today and we'll be taking a trip down to Menorca with British Airways aboard their Airbus A321. I've just gone through security, which was quick and easy, and the check-in experience was very smooth, took no time at all. Very good so far on the ground here at London Gatwick. Our aircraft is parked on a remote stand today, so let's get on the bus that will take us to our aircraft. It was a very long journey out to our plane today, almost 20 minutes driving through all of the airport roads. And here is our aircraft for today, a 17-year-old Airbus A321 registered Golf Echo Uniform X-Ray Kilo. Let's get on board. Our aircraft is in a 3x3 configuration featuring 37 rows of BE Aerospace Pinnacle seats. My seat for today is 21F, a nice window view. Let's take a look around my seat for today. It features a nice adjustable headrest, perfect for taking a nap. Legroom is shockingly bad. I'm 6 foot tall and I only just about fit inside of the seats. The tray table is sturdy and a decent size as well. It is also adjustable. Inside of the storage area, you'll find a menu for the in-flight shop. Lots of variety of different food and drink is available for purchase, as well as duty-free items. Feel free to pause if you wish to take a look at anything on the menu. Take a look down at the seat pocket. You'll find the safety card with all the information regarding the A321, and you'll also find an air sickness bag. Hopefully I won't have to use that today. All in all, pretty decent on board, and here is my nice window view. We pushed back slightly late from the gate but made up some time during the flight. Let's take a little look at our route. Our route today then takes us south over the United Kingdom, crossing over France before starting our descent over the Mediterranean Sea. And my friends, it is that time of the flight, take off. It was a very hard flex departure out of Gatwick today, so be sure to sit back, relax and enjoy. About 10 minutes after departure, the cabin crew came round with the in-flight service, which was a packet of corn. Very lacking for a full-service airline, but it did taste alright. And here is my pre-ordered meal. It consists of a packet of crisps, a Fanta orange, and a ciabatta roll. This all cost me just under £10. British Airways do have an in-flight Wi-Fi service which is free for Executive Club members. It is reasonably priced and relatively quick too. It is finally time for our descent. It has been a fantastic flight today. I have really enjoyed it. Definitely think BA need to work on a few things with their in-flight service. They seem much more like a low-cost airline instead of full-service airline, only providing a packet of corn. As always, the cabin crew were very friendly and professional. Now on my return leg, British Airways sadly lost my bag. We believe it fell out of the baggage truck and was run over. It also was dragged along the floor. When my bag came a few days later, it was shredded to bits. Pretty disappointed. But anyways, enjoy our final descent and landing into Menorca. Welcome to Menorca. Big thank you for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help us out a whole ton. And I will hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.